So these are all parts of the storyline. These are all the same things, guys. The structure, the storylines, the time frame references, the narratives, the look forwards, the levels, the liquidity. It doesn't matter what this market is. This is wheat in this case, but it doesn't matter. It could be soybeans, it could be copper prices, it could be anything you like. Once you understand it, you will understand how trading really works. The real world of trading. Relative value, R squared, correlation coefficient, liquidity for commercials, the market maker's auction, the commercial market auction, the withdrawal of liquidity, the concept of the liquidity being pulled and pushed, the stack and the bid, the delta being absorbed or the delta being taken out. The delta is not directional. The value is directional. The delta is executables. And we'll talk about that in more detail tomorrow when we get in more into the order flow itself. I think we've probably done enough. We've done 3 hours this time, so I think we'll finish off today at 3 hours, and we'll let you get away for the rest of the day. Hopefully, if you've just joined us, this is something you've learned. You've started to learn something new. If not, well, guess what, guys? We'll try again tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm going to say adios amigos, arrivederci, auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, tutsins, tak skadoa, dos vidania, and spasiba. Meantime, guys, ciao for now.